Okay, so after a couple of weeks of work trying to put the Mutineer back together, we are actually on its first voyage right here. Its small voyage today was just going to make sure that we fix the centerboard sufficiently, that we got the rudder in place, and the main mission we're trying to accomplish is we're going to transit this boat from McCrary here over to the marina, where we'll use that for our staging grounds during training. Here we go. Woo! Point of sad note, since the last Lake Norman race, that sailboat over there, yeah, it's not looking as healthy.
Not at all.
Okay, so this is the start.
I'm excited.
Yeah, you know where we're going, right, Corey?
Yes.
Okay, you just get us there. We're picking up speed, that's good. It's because we're actually getting in the wind. It's not because I'm taking your sail away. But yeah, it's good. Pull it more if you can. Great. Great. Yes. Now, unfurl the jib. Yep. You can feel it flatten it right out, didn't it? It probably won't completely flatten out since I am like purposefully sitting on this side, but it's stabilized. And the more I lean over, the more it's gonna make it feel uncomfortable for you, right? I'll move center line and then you can bring that sail back in so you can get some more speed. How's that feel?
Yeah, that's good.
Pretty sunset. Hey, we can start to see the lights of I think where we're headed too.
Straight ahead.
Yeah.
It's a nice little green light on the island. So I guess
Yeah.
we don't hit it.
Yeah, that's right. I'll take a get your map now. Sorry to rock your boat flat. I didn't mean to. Yeah, that high vis jacket is perfect.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean my shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah. That can be our lights. That is really reflective, isn't it? I didn't even think about it.
It's weird when I look at the moon, I get two moons in my camera.
No way.
Yeah, it's weird.
That's really neat. Would it be wise to tack?
No, I would bear off the wind a little bit more. Yeah, because we can stay on this longer. Yeah, you don't want to run aground, I agree, but let's keep going the direction we want to go.